Hello everyone and welcome back to Can and Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura impressa f50 espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to disassemble the entire thing and remove the brew unit that is located inside the machine. For this specific model of machines you really have to disassemble the entire machine. You have to remove the top panel, you have to remove the side panel, and you have to remove the side panel as well, because if you do not remove it you will not have access to the brew unit. So once you do all that and you remove the brew unit that is located behind this water tank, you can now service it, replace all the gaskets. That's what we did. We replaced the gaskets, we cleaned the shower screen, I lubricated everything and make sure everything was working fine. Then we put it back all the way together and we already test this machine out, so we're gonna test it now on camera. Start with one coffee, as the settings of this machine is set up to a coffee instead of espresso, so we're gonna use a coffee cup instead. We also deep cleaned the spouts. They were really dirty. It's common on Juras for the spouts to be very dirty, especially after a lot of build-up in coffee. They will develop some mold, so it's very important to do the cleaning cycles very constantly on your Jura espresso machine. As you can see, it's nice and steady flow coming out of the spouts. These are completely free of coffee, completely clean as well. We definitely deep clean it. I disassembled the entire thing and polish it, and we use a bunch of coffee cleaner to remove all the coffee and all the mold that it was in there as well. As you can see, it's a nice cup of coffee, really excellent color, really good cream on top as well, working perfectly fine. Hot water for this machine, we're gonna test that out. We just have to wait for the I think this was the steam. We're gonna test out the steamer for this one. It's gonna take a little bit for the thermal block to heat up, but once it gets to temperature we're gonna see a bunch of steam shooting out through here. And as you can see, it's a nice steam coming out of the machine. It's really great. We do not have the hose as well, so we will not use the touch on it, but as you can see, it's really great coming out of the machine. Let me now remove the steam element and let's just use the water so that way we can cool it down as well, and we can see the hot water working. Right now it's going to shoot a bunch of steam because it was doing steam and it was at that temperature, so it has to cool down a bit. Once it cools down, you're going to see a nice steady stream coming out of the machine. But let's fill the water tank as first, as we actually end up using the water that I put in there. As you can see, the water tank sensor works. There you go. It's going to ask us to close the tap and then we can do that again. And as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Really great, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, impressa f50 working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Can and Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.